In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a traffic ticket online in Tarrant County. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official Tarrant County website at tarrantcountytext.gov. Using the official county website is important because it helps make sure you are following the correct payment process and accessing the right information for your citation. Once you're on the site, look for the section labeled Payment Options. This is where the county provides instructions for handling eligible tickets online. Take a moment to read the page carefully so you understand what type of payment process applies to your situation. The page explains that if you wish to plead guilty or nolo contendere, which means no contest, and you do not want to appear in court, you may be able to resolve the citation by paying the full amount assessed online. This is an important part of the process because paying online is not just submitting money. It also carries legal meaning related to how your case is being handled. Next, you'll use the payment link provided through the county page. In this case, the page directs you to NCourt, which is the online payment service. You may be instructed to scan a QR code using your smartphone or tablet, which will redirect you to the payment site. If you're watching on a computer and have access to the page directly, simply follow the county's payment instructions to reach NCourt. Once you're on the payment site, search for your citation or ticket. You'll typically do this using a combination of identifying details such as your last name, date of birth, or citation number. Make sure the information is entered carefully and exactly as it appears on your ticket to avoid search errors or delays. If you run into any issues locating your citation or completing the payment, contact the court for assistance. That's the best next step if the system doesn't find your ticket or if anything about your case is unclear. Before you submit payment, keep in mind that this option is only available for adult defendants age 17 and older for criminal offenses committed after age 17. Also remember that paying the citation online means you are entering a plea of nolo contender or no contest and waiving your right to a jury trial. In fine-only misdemeanor cases, Texas law treats payment as a finding of guilty in open court, just as if that plea had been entered formally. After reviewing everything carefully, you can proceed with the payment through the online system. And that's how to pay a traffic ticket online in Tarrant County.